Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. 115 police personnel suspended in 4 years for alleged involvement in crimes, rackets and indiscipline. 2 dismissed and terminated. Watch report. KTC facing debt trap of 124 crores. Corporation's annual loss amounts to 35 crores. 31-year-old corporation surviving on government's mercy. GIDC officials, chairman and officials facing criminal complaint. Efforts on for damage control. GSIA CM meet. Association says CM should take cognizance. Lanka Lemau's disqualification decided at lower level by Youth Congress election officials, says former Chief Election Commissioner Lingdo. Lingdo suggests elections between political parties and not individuals. And Indian cricketers need rest. Overdose of cricket causing injuries to star players, says former Test player Vinod Kambli. Ranji cricket should be the benchmark for selectors and not IPL, stresses the Mumbaikar. Now the news in detail. Shocking but true, this is today's state of Goa police. Almost 115 police personnel have been suspended in the last 4 years for their alleged involvement in crimes, rackets and indiscipline. 2 have been dismissed and terminated. Among suspended, 7 are of PI rank. This takes into account police personnel involved in drug mafia nexus, fake currency scam and sex rackets. Watch this report.
The image of Goa police has been spoiled in recent days. They are caught red-handed in drugs mafia nexus, fake notes scam and also sex rackets. Have a look at this count. From June 2007, almost 115 police personnel have been suspended. This includes personnel from PI to constables. Out of 115, 1 is terminated and 1 is dismissed. Charge sheets have been filed in over 50 cases. However, 14 cases are still under investigation. 89 out of 115 are reinstated, whereas 24 are still drawing part salary while at home. Now have a look at this. Suspended personnel consist of 7 PIs, 10 PSIs, 3 assistant sub-inspectors. It also includes 19 head constables and 76 police constables. Out of this 115, 8 were suspended in drug nexus case. But still, there are new cases coming up figuring involvement of local police. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Kadamba Corporation is facing a debt trap of 124 crores. KTC's annual income is around 62 crores and the losses incurred amount to 35 crores. It's serving solely on the government's financial support. A 31-year-old corporation celebrated its anniversary on Dasra. Watch this report on KTC's sad state of affairs.
Kadamba Corporation is facing an acute fiscal bankruptcy. The state's sole transport corporation is running in huge losses. KTC celebrated 31 years of its inception on the auspicious day of Dasra. It is now planning to enter into commercial ventures to compensate the losses incurred by the corporation. Its proposed commercial project cum bus stand at Madgaon is a major step in this direction. Have a look at this chart showing the fiscal position of KTC. Debt 55 crores 70 lakhs. Parties dues and outstanding 4 crores 69 lakhs. Insurance fund 2 crores 55 lakhs. 6th pay arrears 21 crores 51 lakhs. Gratuity 22 crores 1 lakh, dearness allowance 35 lakhs, rent on flats 1 crore 39 lakhs. The total debt is 123 crores 50 lakhs. Now have a look at the income and expenses by the KTC. Kadamba employees 1886, income from buses 4 crores 70 lakhs, other income 44 lakhs, monthly salary 4 crores 48 lakhs, loss on buses 2 crores 86 lakhs and other expenses 75 lakhs. Total expenditure is 8 crores 9 lakhs and monthly loss incurred is 2 crores 95 lakhs.
कदंबाची सामाजिक जबाबदारी आशिल्ल्यान सरकार आपलो पैसो घालून कदंबा कशी तरी चलयता. 31 वर्सां जाली तरी कदंबा स्वताच्या पांयार उबी रावंक शकूंक ना आनी दिशी दिशी अपंगूळ जायत चल्ल्या. ह्या महामंडळाक सरकार कितलो तेंप कुबड्यो लावन दवरतलो आनी महामंडळ कितलो तेंप कुबड्यांचेर जगतलें. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट रवींद्र दळवी वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Hey Goans, don't just sell out your land to outsiders, be farmers. That's a message from Edwin Fonseca. Edwin has a spice and medicinal herb farm in Asagaon. Edwin cultivates varied range of spices, medicinal plants, fruits and vegetables too. He does it all not on a fertile agricultural land but in a hilly area. Watch a report by Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Have a look at the farm of Edwin. There are spices like black pepper, ginger, cloves and many more. There are also fruits which are usually not found in Goa, like red guava, red bananas, fig and more. There are various medicinal plants used to treat cough, cold, diabetics and for digestion. Vegetables are also cultivated here. This farm is a dream come true of Edwin Fonseca.
माझो एकूच रिक्वेस्ट लोकांक की तेंच्यांनी आपले मोतीन घेवंक जाय की भायले कोणाक सुवात दिवचे आदी ते आपले हातान की नाल्यार दुसरे घेवन कितेंय तरी आपली सुवातेन करीत जाल्यार गोंया आयज भांगर कशें जातलें आनी लोकांक दोन फळां खावंक मेळटलीं.
It's all happening in a hilly area. Dhaneshwar Gaus takes care of the whole farm.
हांव हे बाट म्हणजे सगळे म्हाका एक उमेद कशी म्हणजे हांव हे सगळे झाडांचे बरे भाशेन हांव हें करता उत्पन्न वाडोवंक सोदता. म्हणा डायबिटीज झाडां म्हणा आनी कसलें चीज म्हणा मशींग म्हणा चीज म्हणा डाळींब म्हणा आनी कसले भाशेचीं झाडां म्हणजे आमकां गोंयकारांक अशें दिसता की बरे भाशेन अशें एक झाडांचें उत्पन्न करपाचें.
A reporter from Asagaon, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.